Good morning, friends. How are you? For a while, I kind of stopped doing pancakes for the boys because they kind of got over it. But today, they were open to it. So I'm really happy about that. So, happy pancake. What's today? Monday. And they asked for chocolate chips. So that's what we're doing. We are spending the day getting rid of all the Christmas decor. The boys are helping too. I don't want to get rid of it. I love Christmas. How about you guys? Let's have Christmas all year round. It's like Christmas decorations. Like, how about we get one that has like, you know what? I can go hard for Easter because I like Easter too. I'm sorry, but in my humble opinion, Valentine's Day is for me and my man. It's a partner thing. It's not like the whole house. You know what I mean? What do you guys think about Valentine's Day? It's about you and your partner, right? Like, what's it about for you? Or do you do like Valentine's Day? My OG Valentine is Danielle. Like, we would go to the theater at the lot and eat food and watch a movie. And I told her, oh, dang, I don't have you this year. I don't have a Valentine this year, and that's okay. I'll find me a Valentine one day. I could have a long distance Valentine. I guess my sister is my forever Valentine, to be honest. My Valentine, though. You know who he is. I did it! All the Christmas stuff is gone, except for the tree. Justin's gonna do that, the big tree, the real big tree. I don't know what we're doing with that. He has to figure out where to get rid of it or who to call. But we're done. We're done. I did it. Because Justin's sick, so I didn't want him doing anything. You know, I want him to just relax and feel better. But see, that's what Body Pump does for me. It helps me get strong so I can lift things. Like, I was carrying these things up and down the basement. Honey, I don't know why you always make it that non-existent, flat as a pancake. But you know what? Let that man love his wife. It's so funny in that caviar video. One of my friends left a funny comment. She wrote something like, what's Justin looking at? Because he's always looking back there. And she knows, like, my, you know, behind is real flat. So she's like, what are you looking at? There ain't nothing over there. And in my head, I'm like, yes, that is true. There's nothing there to look at. But at the same time, he's looking at something. A little tiny, he's looking at. But you know what he's looking at? He's looking at the wife that he loves. He's looking at the wife that he went to 3 stores for to get caviar. And you know what? That is something to look at, okay? To be in love after all these years. 18 years together, my friends. That's something to look at. And it's not the outside, it's the right here. Our house looks so empty though. I'm grateful for my baby boys. They helped me so much. They did this whole living room space. They took off all the decals. I just did one of I'm gonna give them credit to my reel video that I filmed. It's just that I didn't put them in the reel because I was using the camera to do the tree and they were doing stuff at the same time. But I'm so grateful. But I also don't like the house without it. The house looks empty, like we just moved in again, because the Christmas decor made it so warm and inviting and happy, and now it looks like an empty house again. And now I'm faced with having to design it again and having to figure out what to do and looking for a new coffee table and side tables and lamps and chandeliers. You know what? I'm gonna take my time. Look how cute. My BBs are together. I decided to get the heated cat bed that's down in the basement here. And it worked. They're now both together because they were kind of fighting over the heated. Charlie, why are you looking at me like that? I love you, Bubbles. Did you see his face? He knows how to mean mug. How about you, Sunrise? Hi, Bubba. Hi, honey. Mr. Bob is downstairs with the kids in the basement. They're playing right now. See, it's so empty again. Justin just has to get that tree over there. But everything else I got rid of. It looks like an empty house again. And we got that. And then we got all of that. Today's baked good will be a blueberry loaf so that the boys can eat it for school. I washed my blueberries. So there's this salmon smash burger I saw on the gram. I was just scrolling, and you know what happens? I get hyper fixated on the food, and then I have to make it. So that's what I did. Well, I'm gonna make it, but I bought the salmon ahead of time. I bought 2 pounds. One of the 1 pound of the salmon is gonna be like regular baked salmon for the boys because we're not sure they'll like it, but they're gonna try it. But the rest is the minced smashed salmon burger that I'm gonna make tomorrow. I'm so excited. And the boys have school tomorrow, so I'm working on a blueberry muffin loaf for them. Oh, this blueberry loaf looks good. Let's just, you know, sprinkle it with some powdered sugar. Oh my goodness, my friends. So we ate half of the loaf already. That blueberry loaf is so good. It's pretty much a blueberry muffin, and then you can make it a loaf. Like you can make it a cake. You can do whatever. Just 350 degrees for, I think I did it for 50 minutes because I took it out and then it was still jiggly and I was like, nah girl, I put it back in for 10 more minutes. So I think it was like 50 minutes. Oh, I forgot to share something. So I saw in the clock app that said that sometimes, well, no, it's not sometimes, every time the house that you live in has an energy to it and numerology connected to it, if you believe in numerology. But like, just walking into this house, I feel like I changed. Like, I feel like out of nowhere, I was so like motivated. I just started becoming the person that I wanted to be all these years after I lost my mom. Maybe the energy of the old house was just a reminder of the place that I was always at when I was chatting with my mom. I don't know if it's that or if it really is the energy of this particular house, but I researched the number and the numerology connected to this house number, and I found out that it makes you very motivated. And I was like, dang, it says that it's good for like entrepreneurs. Oh, honey, entrepreneurs. It said it's good for entrepreneurs and businesses.
What is?
Our house numerology.
Oh, yeah.
Remember? Please and thank you. I thought that was so cool. Like, and I'm grateful for the energy of this house. It feels good that, because you know, girl, I don't know if you know, but I would not be living in no house that was feeling scary, haunted, or anything. Like, even my old house, beautiful, beautiful energy. I always felt safe. I always felt like there was so much sunlight, the view of that house, like especially the backyard. Like, it's a beautiful house. Like, I love that house. But something about this house got me acting like Asian Martha Stewart. I'm like baking every day. I just enjoy the thing, like all the small things, I guess. Just wanted to share. And I like Nerf battles with my babies. We did a Nerf battle. And Jakey, that boy, oh my gosh, we were laughing so hard because I was just saying Jakey, that boy, because he's like he loves my baked goods and I really appreciate it. Like, he will literally try anything that I bake and he likes like 99% of it. He liked the almond cookie, he said, but he's like, I like your ube cookie better. And I'm like, okay. He's like, you gonna make it anytime soon? And I was like, dang, I need to go to the Asian market and get me some ube, like extract, or like, you know, the purple stuff. It's like purple extract and also ube flavored at the same time. Did you know that the condensed milk, they have ube? I tried it. I wasn't really into it. I tried to make myself an ube latte one time. I guess I didn't share it with you. Well, I don't know. Something about the condensed milk. Like, I would rather buy separate condensed milk and then add ube extract to make an ube latte. Oh, maybe I should do a little reel on that one day. That'd be a good idea. I think I should incorporate more food to my reels because I'm such a foodie and I'm always cooking and baking. So why don't I share more of that in my reels? You notice? Yeah. Anyways, have a good night, friends. I'll see you in the morning.